Hello, this is part 2, behavior tree. In this video, we create the behavior tree and the blackboard. In the controller, we connect the behavior tree to the controller. We create this task, get random location. That's called from the behavior tree. Then it will move to the location, wait 5 seconds, and go back and get another random location. So the bot will run around randomly. Search for nav, drag in a nav mesh bounds volume, press P, that toggles the path in green. And then resize to cover the entire floor. And increase the height to the top of the wall. Right click, go to Artificial Intelligence, Behavior Tree. I'm going to name this BT Bot. Right click, Artificial Intelligence Blackboard. I'm going to name this BB Bot. Double click on the behavior tree and make sure that BB Bot is selected and save that. Double click BT Bot, press new task, close this. I'm going to rename this to BTT get random location. Double click BB Bot, new key vector, name this location and save. Double click BTT get random location to get the vector. Right click on the key and promote the variable. Make sure you make this public. On success, make sure to check this box, and for radius put 1500. When you're done, compile and save. Double click BT Bot. This is a sequence. This is BTT get random location with location. So this gets the location, then this moves to the location, and this will wait 5 seconds and then it goes back to get another random location. Double click AIC Bot White, program this blueprint, and BT asset should be BT Bot, and do the same thing to AIC Bot Red, and the same thing to AIC Bot Green. I have the green, red, and white bots in the scene. I'm going to press play to test. And they run around randomly. So everything looks like it's working correctly.